Hi, my name is Mita Mana. I'm from Canada originally, and I'm an oncologist, and I've been part of the RNT family for about 1 year now. At the moment, I'm currently in the investment phase, which is essentially my muscle building phase. My biggest problems before starting RNT was focused around food and portion control. And now that I've been guided with the tools in hand, I think I've really come to understand the importance of nutrition, diet, along with training and exercise. And so it's been a wonderful journey along the way, and now I feel like I've overcome those problems. The trigger moment that led me to my journey was looking back at previous photos of myself. In my mind, I thought I was at a certain point and that I was quite healthy and fit, but when I actually looked at photos, I was disappointed to see where I was. And I think a big part of it as well was during COVID lockdown, food and nutrition really went out the window, and I really wanted to rein things back in and start taking control of things better.
All right, let's have a look at this Mita. This is 50, yeah? Perfect form.
I feel like now I've been well educated in terms of nutrition and knowing exactly what I need for my body, my height, etc., and as well as what type of exercises I need to do. I feel like now I'm not bouncing back and forth between different regimens. I'm able to maintain that consistency, and I think that's what's really played into shaping my lifestyle today.
Solid, Mita.
The process of working with RNT has been quite life-changing. I didn't quite know what to expect when I signed on to do a virtual platform, but I do feel that I still get that close connection with my coaches, but as well as with other members in the RNT family. It's been a great form in terms of accountability, being able to not only just hone in on the nutrition and exercise aspect of things, but also overall health in terms of sleep, mind, body, and soul. So I do think that it has been quite great. A lot of people ask me if I'm done my program, but I feel that this will potentially extend further because this has been an incredible lifestyle change for me. The physical has been the vehicle in so many ways. It has helped boost my confidence. It has helped boost my day-to-day activities. I'm able to accomplish more during the day, not only from a health and fitness standpoint, but also from work and from a career standpoint. I feel that my mind is more focused. I'm able to perform at the best in all aspects of my life. And I definitely think that by focusing on myself and investing in myself has helped me in so many aspects otherwise.
Go. Nice. You got it. Nice. Good stuff.
We are all scared to try something different. And I was maybe a bit nervous about starting because I felt that life had to be in such a way that I didn't have a lot of events or socials or normal weddings to attend. So I wanted everything to align perfectly before I started RNT, but that's not the way how life goes. And that's one thing that I've come to learn and love about this program is that you are able to adjust for what comes down the road. As a female, doing RNT and training, often there's a worry or concern that we might bulk up too much or become too muscular. But I think it goes back to the old adage that when you learn how to drive, you're not necessarily going to become a car racer down the fast track. But when you lift up a weight, you're not necessarily going to bulk up as extreme as one would think. So as a female lifting weights, I think it definitely adds to confidence. It allows you to feel strong, and it also helps with bodily physique. So one thing that's really unique to RNT is the online platform that has evolved over time. And one thing I have really come to love about Pro is the ability to enter certain stats and be able to track it over time. So for example, I can enter my daily weight and I can see how it's changed over the last week, over the last few months, and I can see sort of the progress there. The other thing that's also really nice about the platform is that I'm able to also interact with certain members within the RNT family. And we're able to not only interact with our coaches and get feedback that way, but I'm also able to interact with other members and provide feedback and also help inspire them, to keep doing what they're doing. For anyone who is second guessing joining RNT, I would say this is the time to sign up and invest in yourself. I have zero regrets in finally starting the journey. In fact, I wish I had started sooner when I had originally signed up for RNT. So give it a go. There's nothing to lose, and definitely invest in yourself.